Hi there, my name is Jessica Drawson, and today I'm going to walk you through the second of my city light overlay tutorials. This is going to show you how to add some city light effects into your images. When I shot this in downtown Los Angeles, there was already a certain amount of reflection in the original image. Now I've already done some retouching with the JD Quick Flow set. So this is not a straight out of camera image. I just want to be clear about that. I have done some retouching and a little bit of sharpening, but the reflection is there in this original image. This was the original. This is with Quick Flow. And now I'm going to go ahead and add one of the JD City Light overlay images. I'm going to pick number 3 here. And once I have the image, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select all, copy it, and then I'm going to paste it right here into my image. So I'm going to make a new layer and I'm going to paste it right on top of my image. And if it's a different color space, don't worry about it. Just hit OK. I'm going to put it into lighten mode. So as you can see, I have certain areas where I don't want the lights to be on top of her. So I'm adding a mask, and now I'm going to just softly, using a black brush, I'm going to softly remove areas of the overlay that I don't want. So over her face, over her skin tones, over her jacket, I'm going to be removing some of these overlay effects. Now, I am going to be thinking about what she's resting against, which is a reflective surface, and I'm going to be working on making a believable transition. And I'm just again taking my brush, it's just a soft black brush, and in varying opacities, lower opacity here against this reflective surface, higher opacity so that I'm making sure that I don't have any of this city overlay on her skin or on her outfit, because again, we're not seeing through glass this time as in video number 1. We are seeing her leaning against a reflective surface, so I'm treating these overlays differently. Now I like where this is headed. I'm just going to quick double check, crank my opacity up to 100, make sure that I don't have any of this overlay on her outfit or on her skin. Once I'm satisfied that I don't, I'm actually going to increase the drama here, and I'm taking that overlay layer and I'm copying it, and now I'm changing the blending mode. The first layer still is in light mode, but the second layer now is in soft light mode, which is increasing my amount of contrast here, and it's boosting my color. And I like what this is doing, so I'm just going to go into the mask here and take out a few of the areas where I feel like the contrast is becoming a little too much. And again, I work very loosely. If for some reason I think I've gone too far, I would just switch my color that I'm using, and instead of painting out with the mask, I would paint a little back in with white. And here I'm just going to soften my mask edges. I'm going to go and hit Gaussian blur. And now when I'm satisfied, I'm actually going to go ahead, and you don't need to do this or you can hand edit, but for this edit, I'm going to go into the JD Fine Art Portrait tones, and I'm going to pick the Golden Days tone. And I really like how it sort of adds this golden yellow light to the whole image. The only area where I don't care for it is on her skin tone and maybe a little bit in her hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and mask those areas out. Now I think the last thing I'm going to do is just go down here and add a little bit more saturation overall to the entire image. I think that's it. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. If you haven't caught it yet, make sure to watch my other tutorial where you see how I use these overlays to simulate a reflection on top of my subject. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.